Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Place the helmet on a clean, flat surface within comfortable reach. Use 2 hands to steady the helmet and prevent drops. Lower the visor fully so the release tabs are visible and accessible. Inspect the visor edges for grime and wipe them with a microfiber cloth. Keep the replacement Vega Edge visor nearby and unwrapped. Confirm you can see 4 release tabs and a central latch before you begin. This preparation takes less than 1 minute and reduces the risk of scratching the visor. Start by supporting the visor edge with 1 hand to control movement. With the other hand, press the 4 release tabs gently toward the helmet shell. Simultaneously push the central latch inward until you feel 2 small clicks release. Lift the visor straight away from the helmet using 2 hands to avoid twisting. Set the old visor on the soft cloth to prevent scratches. Inspect the visor seal and mounting posts for any wear or debris that could affect the new visor. Hold the replacement visor by the top edge and align its pins with the helmet mounting posts. Ensure the visor curvature matches the helmet shell before applying pressure. Press each side firmly until you hear 2 distinct clicks indicating the pins engaged. Move the visor slowly through its full travel to confirm smooth operation and correct alignment. Test the visor locking positions and ensure it snaps into closed position securely. Finish by wiping the visor with a microfiber cloth and checking for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.